Jungkook lost the huge opportunity that could have been one of the biggest milestones in his career. Last year, Jungkook announced that he would be releasing a remix of his song Standing Next to You. ARMYs were excited to hear who would be the featured on the remix, and soon after it was announced that the legendary singer Usher would be joining him. The New Yorker magazine reported on October 7, 2024 that the remix of Standing Next to You had been produced in collaboration with Usher and that Jungkook had been invited to perform with Usher at the halftime show. The show was held in February 2024, but Jungkook rejected due to his enlistment in December 2023. ARMYs are extremely upset as his service could have been postponed in order to meet his schedule. After all, he was born in 1997 and he could postpone his service multiple times until he turns 30. ARMYs are also thinking that company was trying to send all the members to the military as early as possible to reduce the group's period of absence by having the members enlist within similar times of each other. RM, Jimin, V and Jungkook were all announced for enlistment in November 2023. The goal would be to have the group fully present by 2025. When the news got viral, ARMYs started trending "Hive stop sabotaging Jungkook" and "Jungkook leave Hive" in response to the news. Some of the ARMYs were saying that, as a Jungkook stan, I am honestly so sad that he enlisted in the military early. He was at a career high and he could have done so much more, but they enlisted together and had another member get caught up in the controversy. I know he is going to release solo music after discharge and do well, so I am not worried, but still, it is such a shame. Isn't that a really huge opportunity? I am not even a fan, and I know it's such a shame to lose such a big opportunity. I feel like Hive has so many opportunities like this, they don't even tell them about and waste them. It's such a shame. Can't believe that they let go and are just making games. I feel like they don't even know what the Super Bowl is. ARMYs were hoping to see Jungkook and Usher perform the remix together at the Super Bowl halftime show. When it was confirmed that Jungkook had been invited to perform at the show, unfortunately due to his mandatory military service, Jungkook had to decline the offer. Many Korean ARMYs expressed their disappointment and frustration over the missed opportunity. They felt that Hive, Jungkook's agency, had wasted a valuable chance for him to showcase his talent on a global stage. Some ARMYs even criticized the agency for prioritizing group schedules and financial gains over individual opportunities. It is clear that ARMYs were eager to see him perform at the Super Bowl and believed that it would have been a significant milestone in his career. While the situation is unfortunate, it highlights the challenges that K-pop artists often face due to their demanding schedules and the pressure of the industry. So what do you think about this? Did Hive do right? You can tell me in the comments. If you want this and other kind of Korean content, like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. Till then, annyeong everyone.